Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited is a government-ruled Indian telephonic company. It is the fifth largest internet service provider. The registration is held in the month of September. The exam will be held in the month of November. Hi, this is Youth for Work and we are here with another video. In this video, we will tell you about BSNL Junior Accounts Officer. Now in this video, we will talk about eligibility of BSNL Junior Accounts Officer. The eligibility criteria are that the candidate must be an Indian citizen. The age of the candidate must be minimum of 20 years and the maximum age must be 30 years. The candidate must possess the educational qualification like MCom, CA, ICWA, CS from a recognized institution or university. As for the application fee is as follows. You are an OBC 1000 rupees, SC or ST candidates 500 rupees. In this video, we will tell you about the exam pattern of BSNL Junior Accounts Officer. The exam is held in two parts. First, we have our online exam. After those, who clear the exam will be selected for personal interview. The BSNL JAO exam is held in two papers which will comprise of 300 questions. Paper 1 will consist of 150 questions for 150 marks. The total time limit for this exam will be 3 hours. General awareness and general English will be sections in this exam. Wrong answer will fetch you minus 0.25 marks. Paper 2 consists of 150 questions of 300 marks with a time limit of 3 hours. Financial management or cost accounting or tax and commercial law will be the section in this exam. The passing marks will be different for every category. After those who qualify the exam will be qualified for the interview round. I'm Siddhartha Siri and we at Youth for Work will bring you a few tips and tricks for BSNL Junior Accounts Officer. As there is negative marking, try to attempt the questions which you are sure of. Read newspaper as there is general awareness questions. Revise your concepts thoroughly. Also don't forget to do prep tests so that you know your strengths and weaknesses. For this, I would recommend you Prep Guru app from Youth for Work.